reservation.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
In a lifetime, you live a richer life by teaching you how to handle.
Such a vertical.
This is a test of the emergency alert system. This is a test of the emergency alert system.
And it collapses when you're and closes when you're in a thought that's not true for you, and is going to create havoc in your life. And it expands when you are having thoughts that are actually carrying towards your purpose, your life's blueprint, is what I like to call it. And after working with so many
monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system. Coordinated monthly test of the broadcast stations in your area. Equipment that can quickly warn you during emergencies is being tested. If this had been an actual emergency, official messages would have followed the alert tone. This concludes this test of the emergency alert system.
This is a test of the NOAA radio warning device. During potentially dangerous weather situations, NOAA receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of these receivers normally are conducted by the National Weather Service every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. When there is the threat of or existing severe weather in the area on Wednesday, the test is postponed to the first available good weather day. Reception of this broadcast and the warning alarm will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, will occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. To provide the most consistent warning service possible, the warning alarm will be activated only for warnings and selected watches affecting the South Florida counties. In addition to the regular alarm tone, the NOAA weather radio system is equipped with an additional warning service called SANE encoder. Unlike the normal tone of 1050 Hz, which activates all alarms with WR radios monitoring the station, SANE allows people with a special receiver to be notified of watches. SANE radios are especially useful for schools, television. For more information regarding SANE,
All right. Hilo was doing that thing again. Just saw these Hilo went off. These two went off. One in reverse. This one off. This one off. This one off. Only one HH went off. V15. This is still hasn't gone off yet. Oh, think I may need to put this somewhere else. We'll figure that out later. 120 went off properly. Zone guard. Okay. And WR400. Alright.
This is NOAA Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service.
Went off on WXK. What the heck? That's great. Oh. Let's turn everything off. Okay, let's review the radios. This went off properly. This went off properly. V16 went off now. Finally, after a week with no alert, and V15 went off as per usual. Let's clear this. The reticus went off. Sangian, CL100. 100. I think This went off, that went off. 400. Over here. I don't know what the heck happened with this, but let me see if it went off for the weekly. Oh, it's still decoded for the weekly, but I don't know why it went off for the unrecognized warning, but that's weird. And Caleb went off. Alright, that is the test for the week.